Namaste students. In our last lecture, we have studied about the curved circle. Now in today's lecture, let us start with next curve, that is parabola. What is a parabola? Set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point. For example, I have taken fixed line as say L. And I marked different points B1, B2 and B3 on this fixed line. I have taken a fixed point as F. Now if I mark points P1, P2, P3 in such a way that the distance of P1 from F and distance of P1 from B1 is same. P1 is same as P1F. Distance of P2 from F and distance of P2 from B2 is same. B2, P2 and P2 and F. Distance of point P3 from F and from B3. These distances are same. Then if we join these points P1, P2, P3 and so on, the curve which will obtained will be a parabola. Now what is this fixed line called? The fixed line is called directrix. This line L is called directrix. Fixed point is called focus. If we draw a line which passes through the focus, and this line is perpendicular to the directrix. If we draw a line perpendicular to the directrix and passing through the focus, this line is called axis. Suppose we give it a name, CD. And this line is called axis. So what is axis? A line perpendicular to the directrix and passing through the focus. And the point of intersection where parabola and axis are meeting is called vertex point. So what we have learned, fixed point is called focus, fixed line is called directrix, a line which is passing through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix is called axis. The point where parabola and the axis are meeting is called vertex point. Now depending upon the axis, whether we are having x-axis or y-axis, four type of parabolas can be formed. Depending upon the axis, whether we are selecting x-axis or y-axis, we will be having four kind of parabolas. First case, if we have taken our axis as x-axis, focus is at a distance of a unit from vertex point, that is origin, and parabola is on right hand side of the, you can say, directrix, is formed on right hand side. In this case it is called right hand parabola. Then equation of parabola will be y square equals to 4ax, and directrix, as you can say, if this is a unit, then this will be minus a. So directrix will be x equals to minus a. In case parabola is being formed on left hand side of the directrix, the directrix is here, directrix, and parabola is formed on left hand side. Then focus, this is y-axis, then focus will again at a unit, but its coordinates will be minus a and 0. Now directrix would be x equals to a, and equation of parabola in case of left hand, it will be y square equals to minus 4ax. And in case we take y-axis as axis of symmetry, in that case parabola will be formed in upward direction. Distance of focus from the origin will be a unit, so its coordinates will be 0a. Then directrix will be formed here, just opposite to parabola, having a distance of a in negative y-axis. So it will be having its equation as y equals to minus a, and equation of parabola will be x square equals to 4ay. Same way, if parabola is formed in downward direction on along y-axis, in that case focus will be having coordinates as 0 and minus a. Directrix, equation of directrix will be y is equal to a, and equation of parabola will be x square equals to minus 4ay. So what we have learned, we are having 4 type of parabolas. For right hand parabola, equation will be y square equals to 4ax. For left hand parabola, equation will be y square equals to minus 4ax. For upwards parabola, equation will be x square equals to 4ay, and for downwards parabola, equation will be x square equals to minus 4ay. After learning the equations, next, if we draw a line, suppose I am taking the example of right hand parabola, and here axis of symmetry is x-axis. For this right hand parabola, if we draw a line, suppose focus is at this point, if we draw a line, the line is drawn in such a way that it is passing through the focus and it is perpendicular to the axis of symmetry. So this line, it is perpendicular, this line is perpendicular to the line of symmetry and passing through the focus, and its endpoints are lying on the parabola. So this kind of line is called latus rectum. Latus rectum is a line which is passing through the focus, perpendicular to the axis of symmetry, and endpoints are on the parabola. This is called latus rectum. Now the main facts that you have to learn about all the parabolas. First thing, you should know what is the equation of the parabola. Like for example, right hand parabola, you will learn that equation is y square equals to 4ax. Then axis. For right hand parabola, axis of symmetry is x-axis. That means value of y will remain 0. Then directrix. If we have marked focus at a distance of a unit on positive side of x, then directrix will be on negative side. So equation of directrix would be x equals to minus a. Focus, I have told you, it will be a0, its coordinates will be a0. Then latus rectum, length of latus rectum, line passing through the focus and perpendicular to axis. Length of latus rectum would be 4a in each case. Then equation of latus rectum, x equals to a. If directrix is on negative side, latus rectum is on positive side, and if directrix is on positive side, latus rectum will be on negative side. So equation of this latus rectum would be x equals to a in this case, and vertex will be 0, 0 for all the cases. So these are the facts that you have to learn. Now let us do some examples based on parabola. First case, they are saying find the coordinates of the focus, axis, the equation of the directrix, and equation of latus rectum. If the equation of the parabola they have given y square equals to 8x. as you can observe that it is y square equals to, means it's a right hand parabola. If it's right hand parabola, then its axis of symmetry will be x-axis. We know that equation of right hand parabola is 4ax. So if we compare given equation and the standard equation, comparing 1 and 2, comparing equation 1 and 2, 4a equals to 8 implies a equals to 2. For right hand parabola, we have learned that focus is a 0. So here we will be having focus as 2, 0. Coordinates of focus are 2 and 0. If focus is positive, directrix will be on other side, negative side. So equation of directrix will be x equals to -2. Next, they are asking for lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum, we know it is 4a, means 4 into 2, 8. So just by observing the given equation of the parabola, we have calculated all the values, whatever they were asking in the question, we have obtained. Example number 2, they have given us focus is at point 0 and -3. And equation of directrix, they have given y equals to 3, and they are asking us to write the equation of the parabola. According to points, what are they given? Point is 0 and -3. That means focus will lie here. 1, 2, 3. Focus will be here. So what kind of parabola will it be? It will be downward parallel. And equation of directrix is here. Clearly you can see this is downward parabola. What is value of a coming? A is focus, we know in case of downward parabola. Focus is 0 minus a, and equation of directrix y is equal to a. That means what is a? A comes out to be 3. And for downward parabola, we know that the equation of downward parabola is x square equals to -4ay. So x square minus 4 into 3, 12y. So just by using the value of focus and directrix, we have obtained the equation of downward parabola as x square equals to -12y. In third example, they have given us focus as 0, 2 and vertex as 0, 0. Again, they are asking about equation of the parabola. Where is focus line? Focus is at 0, 2. So point will lie here. Vertex is 0, 0. Is here. So what kind of parabola it is? It is upward parabola, where value of a is 2, because we have focus as 0, 3. So A is 2, and for upward parabola, we know that equation is x square equals to 4ay. For downward parabola it is minus 4ay. For upward parabola it is x square equals to 4ay. A is 2, so it will be x square equals to 8y. So this will be the equation of upward parabola. Number 4, they are saying find the equation of the parabola which is symmetric about y-axis and passing through the point 2 and minus 3. When they are saying that parabola is symmetric about the y-axis, so we can have two parabolas. Either it can be upward parabola or it can be downward parabola, because upward and downward, both the parabolas are symmetric about x-axis. So it can be upward parabola. In case it is upward parabola, then equation will be x square equals to 4ay. Or it can be downward parabola. In that case, equation will be x square equals to minus 4ay. But it is also given that the parabola is passing through the point 2 and minus 3. 2 and minus 3. 2 x is positive and y is negative. Where does this point lies? Somewhere here. Where? In fourth quadrant. So 2 and minus 3 lies in fourth quadrant. And they are saying that parabola is passing through this point. That means parabola is downwards parabola. So equation of the parabola will be x square equals to minus 4ay. Lies in fourth quadrant. So it is downward parabola. Therefore, equation of the parabola will be x square equals to minus 4ay. Now, if you put the value of x as 2 and y as minus 3, we will be getting the value of a. Put x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3. This is given in equation number 1. In place of x square means 2 square minus 4a into 3. It's 4 and 12a. So a will come out to be 1 upon 3. Therefore, equation of parabola will be x square equals to minus 4 into a, that is 1 by 3 into y. So that comes out to be x square equals to minus 4 upon 3 y. If we cross multiply, we will be getting 3x square plus 4y equals to 0. 3x square, shifting here, 3x square and then shifting minus 4 to this side. We will be having equation of parabola as 3x square plus 4y equals to 0.